just raising the bar slightly here in DEX functions. Now we are going to calculate something which is high value orders. What do we mean by high value order? Wherever we need to calculate the total number of orders wherever the product price is greater than the average product price of all the products. It means that is high value orders, correct? So wanted to first do it for you, and let me see your response onto the same. Let me create a measure. Okay, we'll face all those pain areas and then finally reach to the conclusion and the final DEX that we need to use. So we'll say high value orders, correct? High value order is, I will simply say calculate, and total number of orders, but only those orders where the price of the product is supposed to be greater than the average of the price. Simple. Okay, so if this company is selling 100 products and the average price of the product is $500, then we need to find out only the number of orders that we have received for those products which has the price point greater than 500. This is what we are trying to do. The problem is, the moment I write this calculate function, it won't accept it. It will simply give me an error. Why this error? The error is happening because in this comparison value, I can't put any measure, any calculation. It has to be a hard-coded value. Okay. So the other way around is that I should calculate the average price and then put it over here. Let us try that also. I'll just keep it as it is. I'll move on and create one more measure in the name of average. Okay. Now, average of the price, I won't simply say average price, but you remember the filter context problem? It means I need to use the all function so that it should ignore the filter context. It can be used anywhere. So I will say all products average price, correct? All products average price, which is calculate calculate the average of the price for sure. That is one thing. But all of the products table. This is for sure, because it should not entertain the filter context. Otherwise, we won't be able to compare the values, right? It should always remain the average, overall average. So I'll simply press enter. And first of all, let me show you the value, because we can't use this measure over there as we have already seen. So let me put in this card over here, and let me also put in the all product average price. So this is coming as $714.39. I'll come over here and simply show you that I'll remove this calculation and I'll change it to 714.39. I've changed it. I've manually written that value, and let's see how it comes out to be. And average of the product price. So high value orders, let me now drop it into this visual, and that's it. We got the answer, which is 11,312, right? We've got the answer. Yay. But wait, Lokesh, what are you doing? You are actually putting a hard-coded value here. It means that in future, if they increase the price of the product, or maybe increase the number of products or decrease the number of products, this average price will change. I completely agree with you. It means we have to write a measure for the same, isn't it? We need to use a dynamic value. So as calculate can't accept over here this value, what do we need to do? We need to nest the filter function along with this. So I will be using filter, and you remember the filter? It actually creates a virtual filtered table based on the criteria. And we need to have the filtered table of only those products where the price of the product is greater than the average price. So we'll say we are looking for the products table first of all, and in this our filter expression or the condition is that we need only those products where the price of the product should be greater than the all product average price, right? So it means it will give me that list of products, and number of orders will be counted only for that list of products, which is the high value products. Enter. And still you will find that we will be getting the right value without any error. It means we are good to go. We are having the right calculation in place. So by this, I wanted to explain you that sometimes you will notice that such kind of problems you will face, and there is nothing standard as such. The moment you will move forward and start learning more and more DEX function, you will get to know the limitations of such functions, right? And later on you will become comfortable with that. And this is what you have understood in this video, that calculate function won't entertain a calculation in the comparison value. There has to be a hard coded number. So that is the reason we have used filter function that can accommodate the calculation. Thank you so much.